Want to use Placeit to create mock-ups for your Christian t-shirt business collection? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Placeit to create mock-ups for your Christian t-shirt business. Hey, it's your girl Steph Rodness, founder and CEO of God the Wood Girl, creator of the God the Wood Girl School of Business, and I am super excited to bring to you today's Christian t-shirt business video that teaches you how to use Placeit to create mock-ups for your Christian t-shirt business collection. So if you want to know how I create these amazing, awesome t-shirt mock-ups just by using Placeit, grab your pen and paper, let's get started. All right, beauty, here we are in Placeit. We are right now in my computer, and I'm just gonna take you through Placeit and what this looks like. So this is placeit.net. This is where you can create mock-ups for your Christian t-shirt business. Now you can use Placeit two different ways. You can either create your mock-up and download it for $8, or you can purchase Placeit's monthly membership subscription, which is $29 a month, and you can use unlimited mock-ups, unlimited, which if you're doing a lot of designs and a lot of Facebook ads and things like that, would work out really well for you, right? So this is the website, and there's just a ton of different things that you can do on here. So for the sake of time, I'm only going to just briefly introduce you to using this. So I just want to show you all the different mockups you can do. T-shirt mockups, iPhone mockups, iPhone X, hoodies, mugs, travel mugs, MacBooks, apparel, t-shirt mockup videos, which is amazing. iPad mockups, responsive mockups. You can go a couple of more. Books, flyers, iMac, tank tops, print on demand shop work mockups, App Store, Android, hats, tote bags, onesies, magazines, PC mockups, right? Leggings, sport jerseys, baseball tees, banners, t-shirt, Facebook ads, which is amazing if you're running Facebook ads, poster mockups, app videos, business card mockups. You got brochures, pillows, packaging, phone case mockups. It's just so many that you can use. So I'm just gonna click mockups. So I can go back over to t-shirt mockups because that's what we're here for. So when you are doing a t-shirt mockup, right, you want to design it 750 by 1200 and have it, as I recommend PNG because this is a higher quality, but you can have a JPEG. Just make sure there's a transparent background, which means that your designer didn't give it to you with like a solid black or a solid white background. You want just the design itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click upload design here, and you see how you can choose the t-shirt color that you want the mockup to be on, right? So I'm just going to click upload your design. I'm going to go to my t-shirt image. And now what it's going to do is show me my shirts. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller and hit crop. Now what it's done is show me all these mock-ups in my design. So it makes it much easier to choose which one you actually like. I love this folded one here. If you're going to use one with a person in it, I think that's a fantastic idea. Just make sure it fits your target demographic, right? So for me, I like my natural hair girls. So somebody like her. Look how great she looks in that shirt. Her too. She looks so good in this shirt. Here's another one. She's amazing. She's another one. These are all images that I could potentially use. And you can just keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. When you see a mock-up that you really, really like, you can go ahead and click it and download it for either $8, or you can go ahead and sign up for the subscription and get an unlimited amount of mock-ups. So let me go back to the front page, and let's say that I really like this flat mock-up design. You wait just a second for it to populate. Okay. So what you would do is just click the image. There we go. Over here, notice on the side, you can actually change the color of the shirt. So if I wanted to make it God the Wood Girl pink, I can. And then you can change the background. So if I wanted to really make it pop up in the news feed, maybe I'd do a yellow. Boom. That's an image that I really think will stand out in the news feed, right? So when I'm ready, what I could do is click download. And then I'm going to choose to do $29 per month and get unlimited mock-ups, which if you're doing this a lot, totally worth it. Or I can purchase just the single mock-up image for $8, and then I would go ahead and upload it to my website, right? So that's how you use Placeit. Very, very simple, very, very easy, right? And then if we go to t-shirt mock-up videos, if there's a video that you love, that really features your client demographic, you can click that video and put your shirt on her. Like, I love her, she's amazing. Let me click her. I'll click upload image. It should be 1000 by 400, but just for the sake of time, I'm just gonna upload what I got. And then you can add an audio track if you want to, and you can actually change the garment color if you want to as well. How cool is that? So if I say preview full video, look at this. This is a brand new video that I can use to promote my shirt. Isn't that amazing? And then right down here, you can add a slide, right? So you can create additional slides. So you can have it like go into each other, out to each other. You can edit an entire fashion haul video just from using Placeit. It's pretty incredible. So if you wanted to use the video, you would go ahead and download this for $29, one-time payment, or if you just got the $29 per month unlimited subscription, you can download as many of these as you want to, which is great. One more thing I wanted to show you that I think is really, really great for your t-shirt business is the t-shirt Facebook ads. So you know Facebook has like its own rules for how much text you put on an image and things like that. So Placeit went so amazing and created these awesome ad templates that we can use that are already approved for what Facebook requires, right? So she fits my target demographic, so I could totally use her. And you would just want to take a look and see which one you actually like. So she's super, super cool too, right? So let me go back up to this one. I would put upload an image. Once again, I'm just gonna resize it a little bit. And what's cool is you can turn the text off. If you don't want to have the text, you don't have to. Look how great that looks. If you do want to have the text, you can choose which text you actually like. Let's say I like Lato. And then let's say I want this to be my God That Would Grow pink colors. Same thing here. Say I like this color. Let's say I want this to be a bright yellow. And then this is the badge, right? So let's say I want this just to be a regular white. Let's say I want it to look like this. You can customize all of this. How cool is that? And then I would be able to just download this. You could download it for a one-time payment of $8 or doing the unlimited subscription again. So that's how you use Placeit. I hope your mind is just running with all of the things that you can do for your t-shirt business using this website. Now, if you're using Shopify or Printful or Teespring and things like that, they give you mock-ups that you can use. This is for if you want to go ahead and get some additional images and have people inside of there, create your own little fashion show with your images. That's what these really tease us for. Use this as a way to complement what you're already doing on your print-on-demand website, okay? All right, so let's get out of my computer and get back to the screen. So that's it for today's video on how to use Placeit to create mock-ups for your Christian t-shirt business. If you want to know how to create a Christian t-shirt business step by step, make sure you grab a free Launch Your T-Shirt Business checklist, one of my brand new checklists that I give to you to keep yourself on track as you're launching your own Christian t-shirt business. You can grab it by going to bit.ly/Christian t-shirt business or by clicking the link in the description box below. And sis, if you're not already subscribed to the God That Would Grow YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for the God That Would Grow YouTube channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ. So if that's you, hit that subscription button, and God willing, I'll see you here at God That Would Grow. Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that God That Would Grow releases. My mission with the God That Would Grow YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the God That Grow School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.